EBM presents Pharma Manufacturing and Automation Excellence Awards 2024. Media partner CNBC TV 18.
Welcome to the Pharma Manufacturing and Automation Excellence Awards 2024, hosted by Eminence Business Media, which aims to celebrate outstanding achievements across pharma manufacturing, operations, production, IT, and automation. Honoring the innovation and dedication that elevate industry standards. The first edition of the Pharma Manufacturing and Automation Excellence brings together the leaders and visionaries of over 100 industry influencers and top professionals that are shaping the future and recognizing the exceptional work driving progress in the industry, in celebrating excellence and inspiring new heights in pharmaceutical and manufacturing. The event started with an opening keynote address by Guneet Kaur Here, founder and managing director, Eminence Group. Here are the key highlights.
Welcome everybody to Pharma Manufacturing and Automation Excellence Award 2024. It is our first ever inaugural program. And I want to thank you very much that you allowed us to celebrate your victories, your achievements with us. And we are really feeling honored that you shared this moment with us. So a lot of people used to walk up to us last year, and they, even from long before, and they said, that means, Guneet, everyone is doing awards. Why are you not? And I had just one answer. That means, sir, means it's very easy to build a name, but it's very easy to even, it's difficult to make a name, but it's very easy to just lose it all. The way the things are happening for award section, we don't want to be something like that. So, but after everyone shared this, and I had this talk with Mr. S.M. Mudda, if most of you know him, a lot of people know him, and he said that means, Guneet, maybe you can do some research like you do it for the conferences, and see that how you can make it really authentic. Authentic to the point that means people feel honored that yes, I was awarded at Eminence event, because the criteria is not easy. Not everyone is able to get that award. So we worked hard. We did a research for almost a year to understand that how we can keep the integrity of the awards. The first criteria was to choose the jury member, those veracious voices who are not going to waver. And they are very committed and dedicated to bring out the truth and speak with honesty. And number two, we made sure that we do not even reveal the names of the jury members to anybody up until the jury meeting is held. Three, the filtration of the forms were on a proper criteria, that all the jury members, they were marking on each, means, in this, Rushali will tell you more about the PACE 2 criteria we had for this selection. And when we told them that means, they worked with us, they gave us pointers that how we can make it even more accurate to ensure that means only the deserving are getting the award. And then last, we wanted to make sure that means it is so unbiased that let's say that in a particular category there is only one nomination. Does it mean that means we need to reward them with that particular award? It doesn't mean that, right? Means there has to be a certain criteria that they need to meet it, otherwise they decided that we'll eliminate those categories in case if there is no sufficient evidence and proof. So first of all, a very big round of applause for all of you, because you are really deserving. I'm going to be honest, this criteria was not easy, and those who actually won this, they made it there is because of their dedication and achievement and whatever they have done for the industry, putting the patient centricity and safety first. Thank you for allowing us to choose these 14 nominations out of 113 nominations to be actually counting as winners. Thank you very much.
It was a couple of months ago when we actually started deliberating on, what should be the criteria, how should we sort of look at the nominations, how should the jury give marks, points, all discussions were going on. And something just struck that we should talk about accelerating pace square in pharma manufacturing. What is pace, you may ask? It's not only speed. It's about productivity, automation, compliance, efficiency. We were looking at pace from these four aspects. And then we thought there is one more aspect which adds much bigger value to it, which is EHS. That's why we thought of accelerating pace square with an exponential focus on innovation. We are celebrating this convergence of all these elements through the awards, and from leveraging cutting-edge automation to maintaining highest standards of compliance is something that we looked at very critically when judging the nominations that were there, or when we were, actually looking at the nominations and picking out the best to put forward to the jury as well. With jury, we had multiple calls. We spoke to them about every criteria, about every nomination that was coming in. And after a lot of deliberations, we came down to these 14 winners. And as we know, an event of this magnitude requires those expert eyes to recognize the best in the business. And tonight's awards are the results of months of deliberations with these jury members, whom we call the voracious voice of pharma.
I think EVM has created a good platform for the companies to perform better, because these awards will give the companies chance to go further into the innovations, further into the productivity, further into the quality and compliance. So these awards, first time I think getting instituted into the pharma business, and this will definitely give the companies to progress further better in this area.
It was a wonderful 2 days experience here, learning from various members of the organizations performing their function as far as digitalization is concerned or automation is concerned. And also there is a journey by which many organizations have started this path towards excellence. And I'm sure that this work will keep on improving more and more in future. And I wish all the best to Eminence Business Media to bring everything together on this platform to showcase all the talents. All the very best.
I was happy to be a part of this jury process. In fact, it was a very challenging one to select the best among the best. The scrutiny was very much in detail, and I'm very happy that the entire process was done professionally, in a transparent manner, and in a very non-biased manner.
The first category, Icon in Pharma Manufacturing of the Year award, goes to Dr. V. Prasad Raju, CEO and MD, Cohance Life Sciences. Next category of Manufacturing Productivity Excellence Award of the Year goes to Dr. Reddy's Laboratories.
We are very happy to receive this award, and it was a very, very pleasant surprise to receive this, and we are very humbled to accept this award, and we feel very excited to take this journey of having best manufacturing icon in going future. And we are committed to sustainability and continuous improvement of our manufacturing factories. And the overall program was very, very fantastic, and very, very excited to see the live performance, specifically to note, and very happy and all the best for Eminence.
We are from Dr. Reddy. We are very happy. We won around 5 awards, and all our hard work has paid today. And we are very exciting to win this award.
The Best Manufacturing Facility Award of the Year goes to Ajanta Pharma. Recognized for the outstanding operations, the Operational Excellence Award goes to Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The award for Automation Excellence goes to Cipla Limited, Goa. This year's Excellence in Lean Manufacturing Award goes to none other than Dr. Reddy's Laboratories.
I really thanks to the organizers so gracefully and calling eminent people here, and the eminent juries. They are the like pharma masters. They know all the things. So they selected all this company out of 130 to 14 awards, and out of that one we got Best Manufacturing Facility Award. It's really an honor to us, and with this recognition we get inspiration and to raise our bar again. See our standards, and our team, our management, always they provided resources, guidance, and always see the innovative and upgradation, how we can do, bring a technology. It's a continuous efforts being put up by the team, management, and everybody towards the excellence. And I must thank them. They organize very well, and this type will boost to the pharma industry.
Ajanta Pharma has 9 formulation plants. Our plants are well designed. We are using modern, latest machineries. Our utilities are energy efficient utilities, and our quality control and this QA is using latest softwares. So, and this is because of the freedom from the management. So every department is developed according to that.
Yeah, this is a pleasure to have this award. And the main thing is that the management is supporting us to any extent, like going for the paperless. What we are now doing it for the L2 integration, where many of the equipments are getting integrated with software, so that in the coming years, 1.5 years, we will be paperless.
For innovative training practices, the Innovation and Training for Manufacturing Excellence Award goes to Aurobindo Pharma. The award for Supply Chain Productivity Excellence Award goes to Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Recognized for their commitment to environment, health and safety, the Excellence in EHS Award goes to Micro Labs. The Fastest Growing Company of the Year award goes to Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals.
Very first, the event was well organized, and each and every steps we saw then and we observed that are very well planned and executed as well.
Very good evening, and warm gratitude on behalf of Aurobindo Pharma Limited management, our head of HR, Dr. Suresh Kumar. We'd like to extend our gratitude to Eminence Business Media and the eminent jury member panel to be able to recognize our contribution innovation in training for excellence in manufacturing. I think one of the things that we take a lot of pride in is that what we manufacture helps the humankind in the world. And one of the examples we want to be able to share is the ability to manufacture oncology products. Today, every year, you have 20 million patients who contract cancer, and 6.7 million of them don't live another year. So what we manufacture really helps extend lives. It saves lives of elder people, younger people in the family, and even homemakers. Another thing that is important to be able to note is that when a manufacturer manufactures at, say, $1.2 a tablet, a generic manufacturer, through their scale as well as efficacy, can bring that down to as much as 10 cents. It's like bringing down a 100 rupee oncology tablet down to 8 rupees, which makes it affordable to the humankind. So I think we have great honor and great pleasure to be able to present.
Thanks to EBM for this award. Our representation in patient awareness initiative has been recognized by an agency who have really felt that this is an activity which is going to take it forward for the benefit of the society. Because today hypertension is a lifestyle disease. 1 in 3 in India is an hypertensive. To manage it, we have taken up I Am on Salt Satyagraha initiative. And this, we believe, with this kind of awards, what we are getting, it's a recognition of our effort to improve the lifestyle of the individuals in our country.
Next award for Emerging Company of the Year award goes to Origin Life Sciences.
Thank you very much, Eminence Business Media. I am so happy to get this award. It is one of the 14 out of more than 100, and I'm so happy. And as usual, the EBM events are well planned. Everything is on time, and I love to attend the events.
Company of the Year 2024 goes to Dr. Reddy's Laboratories.
It's so exciting to have received 4 awards for Dr. Reddy's, 5 awards for Dr. Reddy's in this EBM. Very nice place, very well held, and getting the Company of the Year award was an absolute high for us. Alag level. It was great and I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you. Continue to hold such events more and more.
Pharma Manufacturing Leader of the Year 2024.
The Pharma Manufacturing and Leadership Award, on behalf of USV and all my colleagues, team members, manufacturing colleagues in the plants, people who take the product to the market across 65 countries. Your reliable healthcare partner is our tagline, and we have lived up to it each and every time.
Lifetime Achievement Award 2024.
Thank you, EBM, for giving this award. It's an honor to receive this award. This will encourage all the pharma professionals to do better and do the patient safety. Thank you so much. All our good wishes.
EBM presents Pharma Manufacturing and Automation Excellence Awards 2024. Media partner CNBC TV 18.